guys, today I have my Panda Palette 2017 finale for you. Yes, I am traveling. Yes, this is a hotel room. And yes, Adeline's here with me. So hopefully she's quiet enough and she wouldn't disturb you guys. But anyways, I'm committed. I want to give you the finale. And I even brought my empty packagings with me so that I can show them to you guys. And I didn't get to finish every single shades in those two little palettes. So I'm panning one little palette from Lancome this year. This one has 7 shades in it, and it's just a gift with purchase palette that I got from them. And I just realized, maybe at the beginning I knew, but like I kind of forgot, I guess, but this entire palette, even though it has 7 shades in it, but it only has 2.66 grams of product in it, which is 0.09 ounces. So that's like very little. For some of the bigger palettes, this is pretty much just like 2 shades. So there's no surprise I actually finished this one. I think I finished it last update. It took me quite a while. There were quite a few months that I didn't even touch it, so I'm not surprised that this one is gone, and I don't miss it by any means. It was a nice little neutral palette. I'm happy I finished it because it really is pretty bulky packaging for not that many products in it, you know. So anyways, that one is gone. I'm really happy about that. However, the other palette right here, the Wet n Wild one, it's a quint and it's in the shade Smoke and Matte Rose. Right here, I actually have 4 shades out of the 5. So this little slot was made for the like sponge tip applicator, and this little slot was made for a eyeshadow pan, but I depotted it so that it was easier for me to use. You can see that I finished those 4 shades, and they are pretty nice looking colors. I'm really happy I used it. I did get a little tired at the end, but I mean, I'm overall very happy with it. And the last shade though, I did not get to finish it. I actually put it in my Z palette. This is what I brought with me to travel. I'll show you this palette in a second, but let me take this shade out. So this is what it looks like now. You can see that I expanded the pan quite a bit compared to last time. So I had quite a bit of product right here, and I tried to extend it as much as I could, but I did not hit side pan on either side. But I'm quite okay with it. I think the rest of the product, if I'm dedicated to using it, it would still last me close to 2 months. You know, there's just no point for me to hold on to this project for this little product left. And I'm overall very happy with what I was able to have accomplished this year for Panda Palette. So, you know, I'm just ready to call it quits. And let me show you my Z palette real quick, just, you know, what I brought with me to travel, and I thought it was a little like cool configuration. So you can see this is what it is. I really like it. I think it's really handy and functional. So right here, this is the Yes Please palette from ColourPop. If you don't know, every pen is magnetized, so you can just pop them out, and I put them in this Z palette. And right here I have a whole bunch of like random shades, but most of them are pretty neutral, and I got a couple. Ooh, the sun, this is so bright. I'm not used to this. So I got some colorful ones right here, like good blending shades, but a little bit different, you know, they're not just your regular mid-tone browns. I got I think this is Pumpkin Spice from Coastal Scents, and this one is also Coastal Scents. I really like them. And I got, you know, pop of colors right here, the reddish shades, and I also have a green and a dark like cranberry color. So it's a really functional palette for me to bring, you know, on travel. The sun is really going crazy. I'm not used to this setting at all, and outside I'm looking at like winter wonderland. It's like everywhere it's snow, and it's so beautiful, but it's very bright and very reflective, and I try to like close some curtains, but it's still very bright. Anyways, I think I will insert you some pictures of those 2 palettes, you know, since the very beginning of the year to now, just monthly updates and how they looked out throughout the year, so that way you can have an idea like about my panning progress, I guess. And I also posted my panning plans and goals for 2018, so you probably already knew I'm doing something a little bit different for my Panda palette next year. But I'm still going to be doing this project for sure in 2018, but just slightly differently. You know, I'm gonna tweak a few things around, so hopefully you don't mind that, and keep your eyes peeled for my intro. I'm really excited about that, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and give it a like if you enjoyed this year-long project and how I did. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.